Hi Vogue! In today's video, I'm gonna try it out Kardashian's favorite beauty hacks that they swear by it. So if you enjoy, subscribe and let's get started. Good morning. The first Kardashian beauty tip that I'm gonna try is from Kourtney.
This is our avocado pudding for breakfast.
Kourtney makes this avocado smoothie to keep her skin looking young. Girl at her age looks amazing. She's one of the most natural Kardashians.
I'm not kidding.
So let's make it. So the way Kourtney makes her famous avocado smoothie is pretty simple, but it does require a lot of ingredients. So you're gonna start with 1 organic avocado, 1 cup of organic plant-based milk, 1 spoon of plant-based protein powder, 1/4 spoon of MCT oil, 2 dates, or you can use 2 tablespoons of manuka honey, 1 teaspoon of maca powder, and 1 scoop of wild green supreme. I told you. After this, we're gonna blend everything very well until it turns into a smooth paste like this. Thank you. Obsessed. This tastes really nice. I'm super surprised about the taste, to be honest. This tastes like candy. Do you want to give us your opinion?
You either love it or hate it.
I don't think it's for me.
He's grossed out for the entire morning. The first sips, it tastes really good, but the more you're trying to sip and drink this is really heavy in consistency, so I feel so full. I don't know how she drinks a whole glass of this. Like, if I keep drinking this, I just feel like I'm gonna literally. You're doing great, sweetie. No. Alright, the next Kardashian beauty tip is from Kendall Jenner.
Hey guys!
Hi Vogue. You know, she's Kardashian / Jenner. For Vogue, she says that she uses
This avocado mascara that I make myself
as a part of her beauty routine. It looks like it's more like for the morning, and we're gonna make it now. So here's how she makes it. In a bowl, you're gonna put 1 avocado. By the way, I just used half of it. Then you're gonna smash it up with some oatmeal. So I use 1/4 of organic oats. Then she says she adds manuka honey. Again, there was no measurement, so I ended up using 1 teaspoon of honey. And then as a final ingredient, she adds lavender.
a drop or 2 into it.
And that's it. This is messy. As a DIY person, this face mask is pretty solid, to be honest. I like the ingredients except lavender. No. Using an essential oil directly on your skin, it could cause sensitivity to some people. Something like I just think that this mask will be fantastic to use. If you want to try something natural and you have dry skin, this will be really good. I gotta tell you, I've been belching the avocado smoothie like non-stop. And I'm gonna be washing this off before it doesn't sell well on my skin either. So I'm just gonna use a wet paper towel to just remove the residue so that you don't put this type of residue in the sink, because I feel like it could clog the sink. Wow. I don't know if I'm like too soft to rating stuff. It looks like baby doo-doo. But I just feel like this is actually really good. The lavender is irritating a little bit my skin right here. Overall, like, my skin looks very glowy, like she says, very moisturized. And I feel really good. Obsessed. That's a really good face mask. Okay, Kendall? Next Kardashian beauty tip that I'm gonna try is from my girl, Khloe. So Khloe says that she puts a few drops of peppermint oil on her lip gloss to have a lip plump effect. When it comes to beauty hacks, she says that if you want to make an at-home lip plumper, all you gotta do is to mix some peppermint oil into your lip gloss to get a super nice lip plumping effect, which I'm excited to try. Next, what I'm gonna do is to apply all over my lips, and from now on, I'm just gonna wait for this to plump my lips. We'll see. Oh wow, there is a fire here. This actually feels like a lip plumper. Let's see my lips now that it's been a few minutes. Shall we? Feels like a lip plumper, but I'm not really sure about like it actually plumping my lips like a real lip plumper. Right now, I don't feel like a major difference. I just love the smell of peppermint that is really strong. Maybe it will work for some people, but at least for me, I don't think that is the case. One day, I just want to feel spicy. I know what to do. Next Kardashian beauty hack that I'm gonna try is from Kim. So Kim has this particular beauty hack.
I just taped my boobs up and it worked.
So she basically uses tape to give that lifting effect. So I'm gonna use this on my skin. Kimmy, this is painful. which I'm not looking for.
So for this trick, I'm using duck's tape. However, she said any type of tape will do the trick, but her favorite to use is gaffer's tape. Now to do this, all you're gonna do is to cut a piece of tape that you can cover from the bottom of your chest all the way to the top of your shoulders. I like to do this so it is not very sticky when I put it on. And when it's time to put it on, just carefully start taping from the bottom, and then when it's time to tape the shoulder, make sure to lift and then secure to get the best results possible. Woo! I hope this makes sense.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna put the jacket now to see how it looks. Hold up! First of all, there is a lot of lift. What I love the most is how natural and beautiful it looks. It looks like I got some work done, but no sister, it's only duct tape. And then the other thing that I love about it is the support that I'm getting. Really secure right there. Like, woo! Nothing is gonna pop up. The only thing is that you're just gonna get a unsolicited wax. That's it. And it might leave you a little bit red. That's it. If you want to try this, is next time maybe put like a little bit of like a cotton pad on, and then you tape so that when you take it off, it's going to be covered and protected. This is one of those tricks that I'm definitely gonna keep using. I really like it. Okay, is it all worth it? Kimmy? This Kardashian beauty hack that I'm gonna try is from Kylie Jenner.
I was insecure about my lips.
She has a beauty tip on how to fake big lips.
Just like overline my lips so people didn't think I was wearing lip liner.
By only using lip liner. What I'm about to do, it is really foreign to me. My name is Kylie Jenner. Let's hope this looks good.
So in the tutorial, she uses a darker shade to overline to kind of mimic the shape of the lips. So I'm gonna use this exact color, and then for lipstick, it looks like she uses a more nude color to fill up the lips, and this is what I'm gonna go for. Yeah, very cheap, yes. And now let's do this on my lips. By the way, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just trying to follow this video. So all I understand is that depending on how big you want your lips to appear, that's where you should create the lines. So I'm just overlining a little bit above my natural lip shade, and then for the bottom lip, I'm going all in, girl. Oh yeah. Once I'm done here, I'm gonna use my lipstick to fill out all the way where the new lip line is, and here's the result.
My name is Kylie Jenner from the dollar store. When my lips are like this, it looks big. But as soon as I do this, then you can tell there's something going on. I do look different, like I look like I have bigger lips. They're butched, but they look bigger. This is not for me. I did it twice and still it's the same horrific, terrifying result. Making your lips appear a little bit bigger than your normal lips, it can definitely be done with makeup. I think this lip liner hack, it actually works. It doesn't work with me. I bet Kylie doesn't have to do this. Whatever. Another Kardashian beauty tip that I'm gonna try is from Kris Jenner. La Patrona.
I always take a washcloth
So she says that she uses a hot cloth
with really hot water
to exfoliate her skin, to clean her skin, and it leaves it like super smooth, super beautiful. First, I'm gonna wash my skin. I'm gonna have it completely clean. Right now I have sunscreen.
So as part of Kris Jenner nighttime routine, this helps for prepping your skin for your night treatments. So the way she does this is after washing your face, you're gonna warm up with hot water a small towel. If it's too hot, add a little bit of water to cool it down. Now you're gonna strain the water and then cover your skin with this for 1 minute. Once your skin is supple, then proceed to exfoliate with a cloth in gentle circular motions for about a minute. Make sure to stay away from the under eye area, but definitely use this to exfoliate your lips.
This feels wonderful, Mama Jenner. Oh, it feels so good, so comforting. My skin looks so glowy right now and so clean. I also feel like so depuffed. The softness of my skin is wonderful. So pampered, oh my goodness, this feels amazing. I want to recommend this to everybody, 100%. I'm looking at my skin right now and it feels like really worth $1 billion. I will give you $1. Yeah, sure. And I feel really grateful for that. Yeah. I have so much fun trying all the Kardashian Jenner's beauty hacks. I think all of them, they were pretty good overall. You know, the avocado smoothie didn't sit me well. I can't do more avocado stuff, okay, Kardashians? We're done with that. Let me know in the comments below which Kardashian Jenner beauty hack is your favorite or you're gonna try it out. If you ask me, my favorite one is the duct tape from Kim Kardashian. I think that one was like really, really good. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to share some love to me by subscribing to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura Vida!